Hey guys, it's Jason Hennessey. Today we're talking about honest SEO. We're reviewing specific chapters so that you can get a insight into what you would learn if you did purchase this book and invest the time in reading it. First chapter we're talking about today is chapter 7. And this is all about content strategy. For those that have seen some of these videos where we reviewed, chapters 1 through 5, you understand that I am a very visual person, so that's the way in which I like to write books. But in chapter 7, you're really going to learn about how to develop not only the perfect content strategy for your niche or your vertical, but also understanding that, it's not just a matter of writing content and publishing it. It really is defined before, in some cases, you even develop a website. The content strategy, that's vital. And so this basically allows you to kind of see how to do that. Talks about understanding who your audience is, where your audience is located. Then it starts to even, get into the details about how to internally link the pages so that you can actually start to silo the content a little bit more. We talk about the Skyscraper Technique, whereas if you look at New York City and you look up, right, you see the Empire State Building is the biggest, right, building in New York City. Why is it the biggest building, right? So it's similar to when you're looking at, a page on Google for a keyword, you understand why is the number one website actually ranking number one, right? And it kind of gives you some tips and techniques on how to kind of implement that skyscraper strategy. And so that's that. And then chapter 8, this one's one of my favorite chapters. And in this case, I'm going to leave this chapter for another video. So stay tuned for that because I've got so much to talk about in chapter 8. It's about link building. So again, if you think that you'll get something from reading this book, which I hope you will, pick up a copy today, Honest SEO, and the link is below.